Hello and welcome back again. This is part 2 of 4 videos in which we are going to do a linear regression. And in the first part, what we did is we looked at our data and we identified that in this column horsepower, there are certain values that have question mark. For example, row 126 has this value called question mark in this horsepower column. So which is a problem which we'll have to fix, and that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to use this node. It's called string manipulation, which you can find it here in your node repository, as you know. And then what you do to configure this is just right click on string manipulation and go to configure. Now here you will see that there are various functions that are available. You can choose a category, you can see all, you can do change case or whatever it is that you want to do. Of course, there's a lot going on here, but we're going to focus on just the replace function. And in this, we're going to use replace cars. And the way this function is going to work is going to look at this column and look at any cell with the value of a question mark, and it's going to replace it with a null value. Right? That's what we're going to do. Pretty simple and straightforward. And then we're going to name this column as horsepower underscore new. That's all that is going on here. And then we'll go ahead and execute this. Once we execute this, then you're going to see that there is a new column that we have created here, and for any row in which there was a question mark previously, this new column has a blank value. All right, that's what we wanted to accomplish. Next, what we are going to do is we're going to convert this newly formed column from string to a number so that we can do our analysis on this. So this is the new column that we just created. Right, you're going to change it to a number. Everything else looks good. Go ahead and execute this, and when you execute this, you're going to get this column now, which is a number column. All right, this is important because then you can use this for your analysis. Now we also should use your missing value node. And if you remember from our previous videos, we use missing value to replace any missing values in a particular column with a certain method. So for example, in this case, we're going to look at number. Any column that is a number and a double, we're going to, if there's a missing value, we are going to change it with a median. And if it's a number integer, then again also we're going to change it as a median. And string, I'm going to do nothing. I don't think I have missing values in any other case, so this is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to run this, and when I run this, this is what I'm going to get. Or wherever there was a missing value, it has been replaced by a median. And you know there was a missing value here because of question mark in this particular column, which I have retained on purpose so that you can see. Now if you scroll down below, you will see that there is another value here, row 126. It's a question mark here, which we changed null value in this new column, and here it is 93.5, which is the median value. Okay, I prefer to use median. Now you can use mean or some other way of replacing the missing values. It depends on your data, depends on your domain. You have to decide how to do it. Anyhow, you go ahead and execute it, and that's it, and that takes care of it. So that's the second part of the video. We'll continue with the next analysis in the third video. Thank you.